Alright you guys, so here are all of the ingredients that you will need for the pancakes. I've got oil if you want it, and then you've got vanilla, some type of non-dairy milk, maple syrup, bananas that are very ripe, the flour of your choice, baking powder, salt, and then that's ground flaxseed and cinnamon. Okay, and then I usually just take like a quarter cup measurement, and it's kind of what I use as my scooper here. Okay, and those usually just go for like a minute or two until they start like really bubbling here. And then I just flip those and I will show you what they look like. Okay, you guys, so these are getting ready to be flipped. And you can see this is, you know, non-stick skillet. Like, I don't really need oil for this recipe at all, which is awesome. But you know, you won't get that little sticking part there if you do use it. Okay, so this is how they look. We'll let those cook on the other side. It's usually about 2 minutes on each side. Alright you guys, so here we have the finished product. I'm still making some with chocolate chips here for my husband, but this makes about, it looks like it's going to be 24 pancakes. We will probably eat all of this. We might have a couple pancakes left over, but I would say this would serve for 6 pancakes a person. If you have something else on the side, I'm sure you could stretch it to more than that. I just want to show you here, this is the finished product, just so you can like see how big these are. Alright you guys, that is a wrap. Here's the pancakes. They are delicious. I already ate one. And we will serve these up with some applesauce. Feel free to use whatever you want. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you on the next one.